earlier videos until chapter 5 for the Archi tutorial based on the user guide 5.6.0. From this video let's move on to chapter 6, the Archi Views. We can use that to discuss how to define the view and modify the view and configure in the view. Let's go to the mind map. After this chapter I put the other chapters in the left we will go to our viewpoint chapter, but this view chapter has total 38 different contents. We will do that one by one. Within this video, let's look at first three quickly. So first, what's the view? The element and the relation constitute an Archimate model as represented in the model tree, can be arranged in the view. So you may consider view is just like a diagram. So every diagram is within the Archi tool can be treated as a view. So there's when you create a new model, you remember we have a default view first automatically created. And Archi advocate the approach in which architect and the stakeholder can define own view for the different enterprise aspect, and then this view are specified by the viewpoint. So the viewpoint is like here. So we will mention that in chapter 7. So there's a certain list of those built-in viewpoint which comply with the Archimate language specification. So those one is I don't think we can customize a viewpoint, but you can choose those once you familiar with the Archimate language. In that specification, there's also our dedicated section is talking about the viewpoint. And here is let's see some quick I don't think we need to demo this because we already opened that many times. So just double click any these names, you will open a view. So that is double click. O is if you select that is I think is on the command Shift O. So view. Do we have our open? That is the this Control Shift O is on this file button. So if you use that, O is you just use the shortcut. That will be fine. And the interesting part is if all your viewpoint is disappear, your main window is will be the gray and there's a palette which we will mention that in the later subchapter is also disappear. So once you double click and open a view and this palette is coming. That is makes sense in normal cases. Those palette is used for you to drag and drop is the viewpoint element into the certain view, and that is also a way to create our element into your model tree. So once because they occupy certain area, once you have a view, it will be automatically opened. Second is create a new view. So that is very simple. To add a new view, right click on the view this part, so you can create a new. So here is the Archimate. Not only is here, so you can also select on the view folder. So all and select new from this one. All is you can have I think is the new this model. So from here you don't have our new view can be select, but I should say is you can make is the right click on any the view part. So and you can also create a folder. So it's like this application landscape. So then this I can right click folder, right click are the views. So all of them can pop up this same right click, but on the right click this view you have something more. So right click also similar. So then you can click this view. So that is the Archimate view. I need to check is whether there's a way is our sketch view is we will also have our the section to setting up sketch. I am noticed remember there's oh yeah, it's on the 28th, so no hurry. So because it's once you put that is a sketch, is the palette is will be different. So it's like this, but it's not need mentioned now. So that is to create a new view. Uh, Once the view has been added to the model, it can be opened from tree. So here is I have this new view and the new sketch is both under this folder. So and the views are arranged in tabs. So if you open multiple views, so all of them are in this tab. Now you can switch them. So no, we don't need to focus about those sketch. Then it's just keeps safe on that. And the number three is working with view. Once a view is opened, so like here is empty one, adding and creating new element, connection and annotation means nodes. So what are the major things that you will do? So let's say so the CRM apps. So you can now is working with that. You can drag our application so into here. So that is the web server interface. So if you make that web interface, you may change that possible is change to interface. But as I mentioned, I just demo for that. You need to analyze that because this one originally is a components also used here. So although here is not harmful for your model, but it's better you pay a certain caution before you do something. So I will create another is this app, this CRM application. So I may choose that is the adding, and also is I can add some components. Is like here I drag that from the palette and call that is the CRM app server. That is the element. Either you create from here, you drag from right, or and then this we can have the connection. How to build the connection is we will mention that later on. So, but you can do that, and also you can make annotation like nodes. So those are the server is up and running at certain date. So that is my annotation to this server. Then this I will make a connection. So those are the typical ways you make your this view is working. You can also add existing concept like is I drag this one earlier, or is I drag this server here. So this also my the devices can be composed in this node. So that is the so it should not be called the server. So that is this virtual machine. So, and how to add element directly to model tree is we already mentioned in section 5 and drag them here. So it's after this is you can also press S2, F2 or double click is the application's landscape. So you can change the name for that. One more thing is I want to quickly is let you know is you can add our this uh, empty one. The node is I normally is use this label expression for a node is use this view name. So once you have that is oh so sorry. I think is I should have this dollar first. So once you have this way, so dollar and the upper is the parent is the view for this node, then you can have this name, and after that is you can change it. I don't want the border. I want is the text in the middle, and this since is my title is I want to make this bigger. So better is you at least have the title read from this name. That is a tricky way I introduced to you. And also, as I mentioned earlier, is later on I will introduce you. Is maybe you also need to add this who create this wheel, who update this wheel, who is the latest update at which date is something as the metadata of the wheel. Keep tracking that. That will be our big advantage result once your all of your team member are follow this. So with that is we finish the first three parts for the view, and see you in next video. Bye for now.